Hi, this is Rajesh Batra, your English trainer, motivational speaker, life coach. I've been imparting training in the realm of English communication for the last 22 years. My dear, the only mantra to be fluent with English is program your brain for it. Now, the $1,000,000 question is how to program one's brain for English. It's just a piece of cake. Identify the factors which hold you back. पहचानिए उन कारणों को जो इंग्लिश बोलने से आपको रोकते हैं. And some of the commonest factors which impede you speaking English are I'm not good at vocabulary, and if I flounder while speaking, others will make mockery of me. अब मैं अगर इंग्लिश बोलते अटकूंगा तो लोग मेरा मजाक उड़ाएंगे. Isn't it? My dear, majority of people have suffered from the same phobia for ages. अधिकांश लोग इसी भय से ग्रसित हैं. And you are not an exception to this. And this is not a problem at least. There is a solution, and I can help you with it as well. The only strategy you need to adopt is to start using English naturally. Naturally means to say, don't aim beforehand what you're supposed to speak about. पहले से तय मत कीजिए आप क्या बोलने जा रहे हैं. Just feel about the situation you are in and speak accordingly. जो स्थिति में आप खड़े हैं उसके बारे में महसूस करें और उसके मुताबिक बोलना शुरू कर दीजिए. Initially, you may feel a bit uncomfortable with it. As while speaking English, you may come across some certain Hindi word that you really don't know how to say them in English. जब आप हम इंग्लिश बोल रहे होते हैं तो बीच बीच में कहीं ना कहीं हिंदी वर्ड आते हैं जिनका मीनिंग आपको पता नहीं होता है, तो आप उनको एज इट इज बोल डालें. यू मे यूज ब्रोकन इंग्लिश विद दैट. ब्रोकन इंग्लिश मीन्स से यू मे यूज हिंदी वर्ड्स इन बिटवीन इफ यू आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट हाउ टू से देम इन इंग्लिश. आई नो दैट यू पीपल वोंट अग्री विद मी एट इट. My dear, I would like to suggest you need to fool your brain by suggesting it's a logic saying that ours is not broken English. We just do rounding of our English to the nearest mother tongue. अपने दिमाग को ये समझाइए, अरे भाई हम टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश थोड़ा बोल रहे हैं, हम ब्रोकन इंग्लिश थोड़ा बोल रहे हैं. हम तो इंग्लिश को हिंदी के मुताबिक अपनी मातृभाषा के मुताबिक ढाल कर बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. If you suggest your mind like this, your mind will start functioning in the positive direction. You will be able to make some good sentences. In no time, you will be able to convey to others what you think about. आप जो दिमाग में सोचते हैं दूसरों को कहने में सक्षम होना शुरू कर देंगे. And it's a fact I'm suggesting you. And one more thing I would like to share with you here, my dear, there are several Hindi words that cannot be translated as it is into English. For example, jhuta.
चल झूठा.
Yeah, not the one that has been uttered by Akshay Kumar. I'm talking about jhutha bhojan. Jhutha bhojan means say if you try this word through internet, you are going to find sizable similar English word for it, resulting in confusion. Which of them is to choose? आप तय नहीं कर पाएंगे कि इनमें से किसको मानूं मैं सही. For example, odd food, picking food, defiled food, leftover food, sample food, and so on. In Brahminical ritualistic framework, that food become impure or defiled if someone else tastes it or eats it before the person for whom it is meant to be is considered झूठा. यानी सनातन पद्धति के मुताबिक यदि किसी व्यक्ति के लिए भोजन बनाया जाए और उसके खाने से पहले वो भोजन किसी और के द्वारा चख लिया जाए तो वो भोजन उस व्यक्ति के लिए अशुद्ध माना जाता है या अपवित्र माना जाता है. Whereas in Western culture, if you go about, the concept being defiled doesn't exist there at all because people tend to share food with one another. Getting my point? However, there is no dearth of expressions or phrasal verbs in English which more or less convey the same meaning. But the closest I got is leaving, L-E-A-V-I-N-G, leaving, or you can say leavings, which means the things that have been left over. You can say, hey, don't eat that food. It's someone's living. वो खाना मत खाना भाई. वो किसी का झूठा है. And there is yet another word for the same. It is called reject. Or you can say rejects. Reject means to reject itself a noun. Reject means like something that can't be used anymore. Please ignore that glass of water. It's a reject. ये गिलास पानी का मत पीना. ये किसी का झूठा है. You understand that what I mean? I hope you enjoyed the lesson. With that, the topic is over. And my dear, I would like to make an announcement. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe it and share this one with others so that others could be familiar with this as well. Thank you.